He's like this.
Wow, this guy has a winter coat on.
What?
It's 63 degrees out
Well-
there. Winter coat.
Hey, Anna. Don't talk about yourself like that.
You just push it back. Ow!
Hey,
Whoa!
what are you doing?
Oh, darn it. When his hand comes, please push it back. Can I move seats?
No.
I just want to sit there. It's right next to me.
No, you're all right. Don't.
For this game.
No, you have to keep this. No, I don't. Yeah, you do. No, I don't. I don't.
Yeah.
I'm still strapped in.
No, you have to keep this on or else it doesn't help.
Ella! No, it doesn't.
Yeah, just keep it on, okay?
It doesn't help.
Oh yeah, Ella, you have to have the shoulder strap and the lap belt on, okay? Hey, you guys, no trying to grab from others or anything. That's what got the big fight started last week.
Oh my gosh, look at
Somebody
this.
who peeked that back
Let's
in
watch
your
the video.
area.
Like, she's actually blue and it makes that. That
What?
I did.